Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to use single name on Facebook. Pretty quick and easy. So let's get into it. Open up the Facebook app, then hit the three lines at the top right hand corner. Okay, then you want to scroll down and you want to click on settings and privacy, and then you want to click on to settings. From here you can see account center. Tap onto account center and then tap on the first option, which is profiles. Okay, then you want to select your Facebook account and then click on name. Now to use single name on Facebook, you can see I have my first name and my last name. If you want a single name, you can just replace last name with the same name. Okay, and then click on review changes and then basically save the changes when you are done. Another thing that you can do is you can take out the last name. Okay, seems like that didn't work properly. Okay, Stephen, other names always public and hello, found you on Facebook. Okay, so you can also go manage other names. Okay, you don't need to do that, but just basically put in the name twice. Okay, and then click on review changes and save it. If this helped you out, drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel.